due to this lightweight material here, which the density is 1.7 roughly. We increase the side to 47.5 cubic meter to achieve the 75 ton per pass. The target was for the customer to have 3 pass loading on a 220 ton dump truck, which we are achieving now with that 47.5 cubic meter bucket.
The R9800 offers faster loading cycles and tremendous digging and breakout force, and the 3-pass loading benchmark is achieved in just over 60 seconds.
On average, on a 24-hour day, we're moving about between 50 and 60,000 banked cubic meters.
The R9800's overall performance is based on Liebherr's robust